Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to use hour in Perl. So in Perl, hour makes a variable shared by all parts of the program. So first of all, what we've done, we've created here our company. So our scalar company here and our scalar location. So we've not assigned any values to those variables. We come down here and we create a subroutine called com_name, which is short for company name, and then we've used the variable company here and we've assigned it to Perl. Then we come down onto the next subroutine and we've called it output1. We've used the print command to print the output. Company is called and then scalar company, so we're going to interpolate this into the string with a new line. Then we come down and we've created a subroutine called location, and the scalar location up here we've assigned to UK. And finally, we've done the subroutine output2 using the print command. We've typed in a string here, company is called, and we've interpolated the scalar variable company into the string and is located in the scalar location. So that scalar location has also been interpolated into the string with a new line here. Now to call the program, what we're going to do is we're going to call com_name, output1 location and output2. So let's just run it. Okay, and there we've done. So we've done that. So the company is called Perl, so it's been interpolated into there. Company is called Perl, again it's been interpolated and is located UK, so that's the UK has been interpolated into there. So there you go, Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. Hope you enjoyed that. And remember, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit the subscription button below. Give it a big thumbs up. Drop me a comment and I will see you in another video. Bye.